How to turn on or turn off show first line of messages in Android Auto on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see second option is connected devices. So click on connected devices, scroll down and click on Android Auto. So after click on Android Auto, you will see, so if you want to turn on or off show first line of message, you will see first line of messages here. So if you want to turn on, so turn on this button, you will see show first line of messages, turn on. So if you want to turn off show first line in of message, so turn off this button, you will see show first line of messages, turn off. So you will turn on or turn off show first line of message from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off show first line of messages in Android Auto on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.